In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then download free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, launch it. To mute the music, hit consent and tap on the note icon at the bottom left corner. Then select this gear at the top left corner. Operate all of those options however you want to. And click at the top right corner. Then bottom right corner, set as live wallpaper, yes, set wallpaper, and finally, last but not least, tap on one of those sections to decide where you wish to apply it. When you finished, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!